Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix blurry text in Windows 11 machine. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to fix display scaling. Setting your scaling higher than the recommended amount often causes apps to stretch and look blurry. To set the right display scaling, you will have to do a right click on any empty space on your desktop and then click on display settings. Once you're on the display settings, you will have to scroll down until you look scale and layout section. Under this, you will have to click on the scale drop down and ensure it is being set to recommended percentage. Usually it is 100% or 125%. Make sure you set the scaling to recommended one. Once this is done, you may close this window and then check if the text is still blurry in your Windows or the application. In case if it works, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and set native display resolution. To set the native display resolution, you will have to do a right click on the empty space on your desktop and then click on display settings. Once you're on the display settings, you will have to locate for display resolution. Once you locate display resolution, from the drop down, select the option which is labeled as recommended. Once you have selected the recommended one, you may close this window and then check if the issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step is to go ahead and adjust the ClearType text. The ClearType is a Windows feature designed to make text on LCD screens easier to read. To do this, go to the search window. Once you're on the search window, go ahead and type adjust ClearType text. You will see the best match for the adjust ClearType text. Click on it and this will open the ClearType text tuner. Once you're on this window, make sure the text on the screen is easier to read. Check the checkbox which says turn on ClearType and then click on next. Now here you would get an option to choose the monitor. In case if you have more than one monitor connected to your computer, you would see this option. Otherwise you would see one option here. In my case, since I have two different monitors, I have this option. For the demonstration purpose, I'm going to choose the primary monitor, or you can choose yes, I want to tune all monitors now. For the demonstration purpose, let's choose yes, I want to tune all monitors now and then click on next. Follow the step-by-step instructions. Here you will have to click the text sample that looks best to your eyes. So in my case, the second one looks better. Click on next. You can choose the sample again, whichever looks best for you. Click on next. Follow the same instructions again and then click on next again. Now you have finished tuning the text on this monitor. In case if you want to tune the next another monitor, follow the same instructions on the second monitor. Once you have followed all the instructions, you would see a message which says you have finished tuning the text on your monitors and then click on finish. Once this is done, you may try to open the application or check if the text is still blurry. In case if it works, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step is to go ahead and fix blurry apps individually. In case if the text is blurry on a particular app, you will have to go to that individual app and make these adjustments. To do this, for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to use Adobe as a blurry app. Click on the start button and then choose the affected app. So in my case, I would choose Adobe. Do a right click and then click on open file location. This will take you to the location of the shortcut. You can do a right click and then click on show more option to locate properties. Click on properties. Once you're on the properties, you will have to click on the tab which says compatibility and then click on change high DPI settings. Check the box that says override high DPI scaling behavior. Set the scaling performed by drop down to application. In case if it is selected something else, make sure it is being set to application and then click on OK. Click on apply and then click on OK. Close the window and then check if the text on that particular affected applications are still blurry. In case if it works, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step, what you could do is you can go and update your graphic drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphic drivers can cause unexpected display glitches and font blurriness. To update your graphic drivers, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on the device manager. This should open the device manager window. Once you're on the device manager, you will have to expand display adapters category. Once you expand the display categories, you will have to right click your graphic cards. It could be NVIDIA, AMD or Intel. In my case, I have an external graphic graphic card and the inbuilt one. For the demonstration purpose, I'm going to choose the NVIDIA. Do a right click and then click on update driver. Choose search automatically for the drivers. Click on close the window, restart your computer, and then check if your issue has been resolved. So all this steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.